No, Iran has a missile city, several missile cities in fact. But Tehran has provided the world a glimpse of only one. And it's unlike anything we've seen before. It's like a never-ending wine cellar, only that there are missiles instead of wine bottles, scores of missiles stacked up inside a depot with cemented walls. The images are fascinating. They're also terrifying. Why has Iran released them in public domain now? Here's a report.
In India, we have the city of dreams, Mumbai. In the United States, there's a city of stars, Los Angeles. In Italy, they have the city of canals, Venice. What if we tell you that Iran has a city of missiles? These visuals have been released by the Iranian state media. They show scores of missiles inside an endless underground corridor. No details have been provided about its location, for obvious reasons. We also don't know the date of this footage, or how many missiles are stored at this depot. But what we can say for sure is that this is just one missile city among tens of others.
What we see today is a small section of the great and expansive missile capability of the Revolutionary Guard's naval forces.
The state media is calling it a new base of Iran's elite Revolutionary Guard Corps. It says this base also houses electronic warfare equipment like radar, monitoring, simulation, and disruption systems.
These launchers can fire missiles from behind the heights towards the coast. It's no longer necessary to move launchers to the brink of the sea. These launchers can fire while moving, and they are not susceptible to electronic warfare.
Since 2011, Iran has been building underground nuclear facilities across the country, from Mashhad, Tabriz, Baghtaran, and Imam Ali in the north, to Bandar Abbas, Abu Musa Island, and Kohestak along the country's Gulf coastline. Iran's missile program is among the most extensive in the world. The missiles can travel at least 2,000 kilometers, placing much of West Asia, including Israel, within range. In 2020, the Revolutionary Guards Force began building a number of missile cities, warning Iran's enemies of a nightmare. These cities are essentially underground facilities that house missile systems. Unlike military facilities on the surface, which can be tracked using surveillance drones, underground silos are largely untraceable and safe from enemy airstrikes. They provide more firepower to Iran along the Gulf Coast and a tighter control over the Strait of Hormuz, which is a key shipping route for 20% of the world's oil supplies. The unveiling of this new base comes amid heightened tensions with the United States. Hours before these visuals were released, the Biden administration deployed 2 nuclear-capable strategic bombers to West Asia. Iran's message is clear. It says it does not want war, but will retaliate if and when America makes a move. Bureau Report, we own. World is one.